Hello, everybody. Today, I finally convinced this guy for more belching.
And I'm playing a game, and we're playing cops, and this guy got arrested.
Yeah, Woody got arrested for jaywalking and possession of a controlled substance.
And he's a cop now.
But he just got arrested for possession of controlled substance, jaywalking, assault, 3 accounts of assault and battery.
He escaped from there and actually convinced them to be a cop.
Well, hurry up and just burp already.
Fine. My new favorite thing.
His new little place where he keeps his burp secret. Oh my god.
I can't sit in this anymore.
I know, you're so fat.
I'm not fat.
Yes, you are.
I'm getting too big.
Yeah, you're just fat.
I found nails. I'll stick them in your face.
Those are screws, and that was for that wooden thing that you could put together that you just never did.
Oh, you mean that?
Yeah. I think it was for the birdhouse. Okay.
Did you guys see me?
No, yeah, I can barely pick you up. Your face is just barely hidden. Ooh.
Okay, you won that one.
Yeah, this is a contest. Johnny wins. Flawless victory. Alright, now I go first this time. What? I know, IKR boy. Shout out, oh wait, and random shout out to a subscriber, I believe his channel I won was called Oliver Chang. Shout out to him, make sure you check him out. If he is a YouTuber, I don't know, maybe, probably not, but who cares. Anyways, thank you for the support. Alright, it's my turn.
Go.
I'm gonna lose. I lost.
Yeah, you
oh
lost
my
that
god.
One.
Sorry that my channel name got screwed up, but it only allows 3 name changes every 90 days.
We're gonna do a video of Lego.
It was supposed to be Samurai Gaming, but now it's Samurai Gaming Entertainment. I'm sorry for the mishap. I'll be able to change it again within 90 days. Yeah.
No way. You can't.
Okay, so instead of the 5-minute burp challenge, this is gonna be the 10-minute belching contest. So I'm gonna name it right now. Because you're here because you wanted to see burps. Either that or you're delusional and you thought this was something different.
Either that or you're gonna poop.
Wow, I'm impressed by myself. Johnny, you're the one where you're like, please.
No, that one's boring.
Then do something funny.
Wait, you want me to do more bumps?
Yeah, hold on. I haven't.
Surprising.
Actually, it's not that surprising. You said you wanted to be famous. Oh, come on, that sucks. You suck at belching.
I'm trying to wait here, man. Hey, guys. See my feet?
Yeah.
So, when I was how old was I?
You were 8.
8? I was doing this.
Yeah.
Probably do
It's so annoying. Just stop it. Stop this and just belch.
fine.
Oh, jeez. Dude, I can't pick you up with the camera. You can't just waddle around the room.
It dumped in the asses, all the other bubbles.
Oh, I think I'm out. Okay, I'm gonna have to shake myself up to burp. You don't need to like this.
Okay.
Come up closer. And do this. Remember the one where you stick your bottom. Remember the one where you stick your bottom jaw out and then like, and then you go like you make a space donkey face. Do the face of the space donkey. But like only my best friends from my old school know what a space donkey is. Know what the space donkey is. But it is legendary. It is the legendary space. You just walk out of nowhere.
I didn't do
IKR, boy. Get out of here, you ugly moron. Look at those helmets. Look at them helmets. Look at them helmets.
Oh yeah, I play football.
Oh yeah, Johnny be playing that
I'll
tackle.
show you my helmet.
Yeah, go put your, yeah. And show them your pads maybe. He'd be playing that tackle stuff. Yeah, he'd be playing that tackle stuff, boy. So that's what he'd be wearing at his football stuff. He's got
Okay,
a,
I'm gonna show you my picture.
Just show them your pads. No, John. Just your pads.
Fine.
So he's playing for Vestal, the VFO. Look at that monkey. That monkey.
This one
On.
and this one.
Those are your leg pads, and that's your upper body pads. Put on your helmet. Show them what you look like with your helmet on.
Okay, I'm gonna go downstairs and do it.
Okay. Anyways, now I'm just going to show you some of my stuffed animals because they're so cute. This is my frog. I named him after one of my favorite Pokemon, Froakie. He's adorable. Here is my hipster turtle. See, he got, yeah. And, my favorite out of them all, Freddy. I'm gonna be getting Bonnie, Chica, and Foxy soon. And my shark. Nom nom nom. He was the star in my Jaws movie, you might have remembered. You might remember seeing him in the Jaws movie. Can that dude just hurry up? You don't have that much time left. I'm pretty bored. Hurry up, John. We don't have that much time left. John, hurry up. We have... There, that's what he looks like in his helmet. Sorry it took so long, guys. John's just a slowpoke. He's got his mouthpiece in. Anyways, we have about 20 seconds left. So, are you stuck in there? Anyways, as always, have a nice day.
Have a nice